In this video, I will show you how to add keyboard shortcuts that speed up your editing in Premiere Pro. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. I'm going to put my cursor in the middle of my clip. If I press Q, it will remove everything before the playhead. And if I press W, it will remove everything after the playhead. If you would like to duplicate your video, simply select it, press Option and drag, and your video duplicates. If you have completed editing your video and you would like to export it, simply press Command M and it takes you to the export page. If you would like to quickly go to the selection tool, simply press V and you can see on the left that it is now on the selection tool. If you need to quickly get to the razor tool, simply press C and you can see that it has switched over to the razor tool. And if you need to quickly get to the text option, simply press T and you can now add text to your video. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.